Moukdavanh Welcome to the weather forecast in China. Today I'm going to tell you the weather forecast with Nuni in the southern of China.
Hello, my name is Nuni. The weather forecast in southern of China today is sunny in the morning and is going to be cloudy in afternoon. It will be rain all day. The weather forecast for tomorrow is be rains all day. Take care.
Thank you, Nuni, for the show us the weather forecast in southern. Next, let's see the weather with Mr. Ani.
Hello, my name is Ani here. Now I am in the northern of China. So the weather right now is having rains. There is thunder at some area in the north. So anyone in the northern has to be careful. The temperature will be 20 to 25 degrees all day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ani. That the weather, the northern. Finally, we are going to the sea weather forecast in the western, Mr. Zhu.
Hello, my name is Zhu. Now I'm in western of China. The weather here is snowy and cold. It's going to be snowy all day. And weather forecast for tomorrow is will be snow and will be raining. So anyone in western of China have to be careful or take care yourself. Thank you.
Thank you. As you have seen, this is the weather in all parts of China. This is different, so anyone go out or travel, let's see, take care yourself. Is the weather.
Now I'm in the Netherlands. I'm going to tell you about the weather forecast. It's very cold and a very little a bit snow. Now I am living in the south on Netherlands. They want hot, very cold, bit snow. Now I am living in the south on Netherlands. Today is going to be very cold all day all night here with the temperature at 0 degree and tomorrow it's going to be harder, very cold. You should take care your body and then you go to travel. You go to travel. You in the Netherlands. Harder, very cold than today. So you here with you here to be carefully. You take care yourself. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
สับตาทั่วสับตาเราชูมือ
Now I live in the Netherlands. Today I am going to tell you about the weather forecast. It's very cold and little bit snow. They want hot, very cold here with the temperature at 0 degree tomorrow. Today, thank you very much. See you next time.
โอ้ช่วยฉัน yes, that's actions for the snowing, and this guy takes some detergent for snow, and that's man the cameraman. Also had a guy from here, they're very funny.